Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friends surrounding me exactly surround the world. Let me introduce myself here or allow me introduce myself. My name is Putri Rafa Saliha. I was born on June 3, 1995 and I'm very adore on English, exactly on British because British very polite if you want to talking about with other people of from the another country. Like me, I as a guide for Thailand student, not only for Thailand student, if there is any tourism from another country, like the Hong Kong and the Philippines, I need to have to speak on English. On my daily activities, maybe. Yes. Now I'm just look for someone who wants to talking about more on English and we can to share with the other people in the world. Now, I am live with my simple family, exactly with my mother, with my father, and with my sister. My mother's name is Mersromla Espelu, and my father's name is Mr. Muhammad Fauzi. And I have one sister. Her name is Putri Rafi Saliha. Exactly, my sister is a student college, namely IAIN of Palangkaraya in Palangkaraya town, Central Kalimantan. And my father is a worker, exactly in Banjarmasin or South Kalimantan. It's nearest by Palangkaraya town, Central Kalimantan. And my mother is a worker, exactly official in Palangkaraya town, Central Kalimantan. Absolutely be Satpol PP Kota Palangkaraya Bidang Trantipbun. Today I want to share with you all guys about the farmer from a newspaper here. This is a simple thing that you can find in your house, in your is that it is that you can find it. Done. Okay guys, today we need a material for make it a beautiful flower just from a small newspaper. This is a newspaper or we can call it a farmer's newspaper. From this newspaper we can make with our own ability. For the first newspaper and then the second we need a small stick like pencil and then squeezer and the last we need one plaster or gips. Done. Okay guys, first of all you need to cut this paper like this one by one and like this. Up to you how many paper that you want to cut. Still cut like this, right? Until cut like this, you need to make like curly, like this. Use your creaser first, like this. Alright? Maybe you get it, what I mean? We have to need to learn a simple thing surround us. You know that this is a newspaper, exactly a former newspaper has many benefits. You can make it a blade from this, you can make it a plant, you can make it a flower and so on. After this is like career, right? Yes, exactly. And then next you need to reel on this stick. This stick made from pencil. I use it and then we need to reel one by one like this. Okay. And don't forget to plenty this newspaper because this look like curly. Yes. Alright. Done. You need to grill the plaster or the gips that I have said with you guys. After that, you can use it at your room or at your home. That's for your accessories at your home. I think it's time for me to finish this speech. Within your friend and finally I say, and I'm sorry if I have many mistakes to my English because some people of Indonesia or people of Indonesia do not speak it in every day. People of Indonesia do not speak it in every day, but I am like us university student exactly on English program have to need to speak English every day, every where I stay at my home, at my school, or etc. so on. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.